Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia. I have Bath Bevy for September. I used to get this quite regularly. I would say probably 5 years ago. We absolutely love baths in this house, but at some point I had to kind of balance between the clothing boxes and this, and so this took a step away. I want to say I feel like their prices have gotten somewhat cheaper. If I remember, it was getting up to $60 a box, and right now I feel like we're around $53, $55. The base price is, I think, somewhere around $43, $45, and then they have a little bit of shipping and taxes. This is a bath box. You get 6 products. I got it primarily because I want the October box. I just love kind of the holiday spooky vibes. So, anywho. They have really good quality products, but every now and then they'll put something in that like I don't really use, and so that kind of knocks the value off. You do get a little card with everything in it, really cute. So I'm super excited. I really enjoyed, I don't know what it was I unboxed. I unboxed something like this, like maybe in August, where it just was kind of nice to have something unique, and so I don't know, I just splurged a little bit. All right, first product out. We will use this no problem. We take baths in this house quite a bit. And so this is a cider bubble salt. So I love bath bombs. And so this is basically a broken up bath bomb, kind of Epsom salt situation. Scented, I assume, cider. So super, super excited for that. That will be a product we will 100% use. Also, their soap scrub is without a doubt my favorite soap scrub ever. I just love their soap scrub. I use it for my legs before I shave. I love this stuff. So this is Sweater Weather, toasted marshmallow, apple, vanilla wood, and amber. So I love this stuff. I haven't had this in so long. Oh gosh, I don't think yeah, there it goes. I can open it. So this is just kind of a treat. I'm probably only going to get September and October, but there you go. I have a cold, so as much as I can smell, it does smell good. I smell the fruity, I smell the apple. To me, I smell the apple more than anything. But I love their packaging, and this just works so great in the shower. Love their soap scrub. And they do have mystery boxes of just the soap scrub, but I've never pulled the trigger on that. It looks like we have more. Oh, this is Epsom salt. So it's interesting. I've never seen them do 2 of basically the same thing. And this is what I mean. Like, if you are not a like bath salt or Epsom salt person, this would be a bummer of a box. We use them all the time. Now, I will say I get a big bag of Epsom salt. So fancy Epsom salt is really not that, unique or whatever. But it is definitely something I will use. And so I am not mad about it. This is the caramel apple Epsom salt, and I'm curious how much this will smell like caramel apple. I'm curious how much the salt will flavor the box. I will also say, price-wise, I'm not sure, neither one of these are like super expensive. Like, you can get a big bag of bath salts for cheap. Oh, and what do we have here? This is in bubble wrap. This is, the Fall Fig and Bath Body Oil. I absolutely love body oil. Somewhere along the line, doing subscription boxes, I got into body oil. And at first, I wouldn't even use them. And then I realized that they're just really nice. I put them on my arm, I put them on my neck, and it just is a very nice moisturizing treat. So I am super excited to have this. This will be really nice. This is called Fall Fig. It's in a nice glass jar, pump. So I am super excited to have this body oil. Oh, maybe I'm not. Okay, I am. Again, as much as I can smell, it smells like kind of a light, almost fruity scent. It says apple, lemon, ginger, fig, caramel, cinnamon, vitamin E, and aloe. Anyway, I am super excited. Body oil is right up my alley. So this is a win-win-win. So those are 4 products. Now we have bath bombs. I will say back in the day, I feel like they used to do cutesy shaped bath bombs. And that was, I think, at this point, 3 years ago. I miss the cutesy shapes. Now, most of the time, they come in boxes. So this is apple cinnamon. And it's all the nice squiggles, so make sure it doesn't get broken. But I would say now, more often than not, they're just circular, which is fine. And so this will make a really pretty bath. It smells really good too. So I don't know. Like, I love this box. I think it's a fun treat. But I tend to get my bath stuff elsewhere for cheaper. So like this one to me is kind of a bummer because I like it to make my bath colorful. Clearly this one is not going to make my bath colorful. This is milk and honey. And I definitely smell the honey for sure. So anyway, for me personally, this box was a win. It was a treat. Honestly, if you're on a budget, you can find Amazon, Walmart, sometimes Dollar Tree has bath items for a fraction of the cost that will go way more than like 6 products worth. But again, fun treat. Oh, and I just noticed that this one has some little pearly things. So I'm happy. I'm going to use all 6 products, and sometimes that didn't happen, which is kind of why I stopped getting the box. But anyway, I'm super happy with this box this month. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.